how to fix Instagram verification code not received. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix Instagram verification code not received. So if you haven't received the Instagram verification code, the first thing what you can do is use the WhatsApp method. Just request a login link via SMS, wait and tap no longer have access to this to receive the code via WhatsApp. Now the next thing what you can do is log in via browser. Just go to one of your web browser, for example Google Chrome or Safari. Then go to Instagram login page. Once you go to Instagram login page, just go to the website. Then input your username, your password and tap login. Now the next what you can do is disable the focus mode. Just scroll down from the top of your screen to open your control center and make sure that the DND is turned off. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.